If you want a hard copy of any document, what do? You take the printout or photocopy of that document from any nearby shop, right? There you must have observed the photocopy machine. A photocopy machine, commonly known as a copier, is a device used to make copies of documents or images. It works by using a combination of light, lenses that reproduce the content of a physical document onto a blank sheet of paper. The original document is usually placed on a glass surface, and the copier creates an identical copy on paper. Based on this above explanation, here is a statement. We have to find out if the statement is true or false. The statement is: the method of working of a flatbed scanner is mostly similar to a photocopying machine. So the question is about the similarity between the method of working a flatbed scanner and a photocopying machine. So let's first understand what a flatbed scanner is. A flatbed scanner is a device commonly used to convert physical documents or images into digital format. It resembles a photocopying machine in its basic design. The scanner consists of a flat glass surface on which you place the document or image face down. The cover is then closed, and the scanner uses a moving light source or sensor to capture the content of the document. The resulting digital image can be stored, edited, or printed. The method of working of a flatbed scanner is indeed mostly like that of a photocopying machine. Both devices use a similar approach in capturing the content of a document or image. So, this statement is true because in both cases you place the item on a flat surface, cover it, and use a light source or sensor to create a digital copy. The primary difference lies in the output. A scanner produces a digital file, while a photocopying machine produces a physical copy on paper. You can learn more about this topic in our MSCIT book. This will help you understand and get ready better, making it easier for you to confidently handle any questions or multiple choice queries related to MSCIT exams.